it's Lauren with Bargain Bead Box, and today we're going behind the beads to talk about the March Here Comes the Sun collection. And every time I say Here Comes the Sun, I just want to say do-do-do-do. You know, it's all right. So first of all, we have some cubic zirconia suns because I want it to be really bright. I was thinking of like dawn colors when we curated this box, and this shaded pink aventurine strand really kind of got the whole thing started. I found this strand and I just absolutely loved it. I love the pale pink to the dark orange. I just thought it was so pretty. So you've got like pale pink aventurine and then some more orange to the full red aventurine. So they call it a shaded pink aventurine. It's all aventurine. I think it's more of a pink to red aventurine, but that's really semantics. It's the same stone. It's just how we typically, where the cutoffs are between pink and red aventurine are very fluid. I just think it's really stunning having all those different tones in one strand. And I love the way that it's organized from lightest to darkest. I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It made me think of dawn, and I just really wanted something kind of optimistic and bright. I feel like there's so much going on in the world right now. I wanted something sunshiny and hopeful because I think that's what the world really, my world at least, feels like it's been missing, is it just needed some cheerfulness and some hope. And so that's what I love about these colors and these stones. To me, they're just happy. So we've also got 8.5 or 8x5, pink aventurine rondelles. I wanted them to be the same size, roughly, as the beads, the round beads, because I thought they would mix well in designs that way. And I like that you get a lot of creamy pinks with those rondelles. Next, we have some red agate. So I wanted to pull in some more of those oranges and reds, and that was a fun way to do that. So these technically they say 8mm. I will say some of the red aventurine tends to be more of the 8.5, but to 9, this tends to be more of 8 to 7.5, which I actually like. I actually appreciate that size differentiation slightly. I think it makes for a fun visual shift. And I like the fastening and the very liquid glossy shine that agate has. Next, we have our yellow opal nuggets. And these all are going to look a little bit different, but I love them. They have such a warm ambiance, and they also match the creamy tones of the pink aventurine. So when I found these nuggets, I was really excited because opal is not the cheapest of gemstones, and these were a really good value. So I had to grab them, and I think the yellow mixes really nicely in with the oranges and just feels bright and sunshiny. And then we have our light red aventurine bicone beads. Again, some of these are more on the side of like a yellow peach aventurine. And whether they call it orange or yellow or red aventurine often has more to do with the lapidary itself than the hue of the stone. You can see the size and shape might vary slightly. But I actually really like that these are on the lighter end. They sent me pictures of some different rough, and I was like, let's do the light one because I think it pulls in your opals nicely. It pulls in some of these agates nicely. Some of them might be darker. All the gemstone rough varies, and it was a very big batch. But I really like the peachy colors there. I wanted to capture like that first light of dawn where you have some purple in it sometimes. And again, there's a lot of 8mm that we're working with in this package. So I picked these 8mm mixed quartz beads because you have some white, pink, yellowish tones that kind of blend well with the peach aventurine, but you also get some gorgeous purples. And that just looks like really, dawn's early light to me. I love it. Makes me happy. So pulling in just a little bit of purple there. All right, so I went looking for a pink aventurine pendant, and I found these links. And the fastening is just so stunning. I love that Baroque oval shape. Again, the colors vary. And that's another reason why I wanted to pull in some of this purple quartz. Some of them have a little bit of a purple cast to them, and some of them are a little more warm, peachy. So my goal when I make a box is always that no matter what variation in the gemstone you receive, you're going to have something to match it. I don't want to be like, oh man, if only I had gotten a slightly different shade. Like, there's a lot of variation in these natural stones, and I didn't have them dye them because I think the natural variation is gorgeous, and I love it. And pink aventurine just isn't a stone you would typically dye anyway. It doesn't take dye super great, and the natural variation is like the point. So you'll get one of these. Again, the color might vary, but I've done my best to make sure that there's something to match no matter what. Speaking of something to match, I wanted some other links to be in here too, and I just love these pink glass links. Again, they bring warmth, cheerfulness. They're so cute, really nice quality, fastening, just super duper fun. All right, now we're onto our glass and crystal. These chunky glass beads I think are just so nice. I love that golden coat on one side, gives it a little bit of a pale yellow, almost citrine look. And I think the shape works really well with that Baroque oval link, which is really what I was looking for. Something chunky. You know, we've got a really chunky link here. I'm not going to leave it with just 8mm rounds to go with it. I wanted to have something fun to you know, echo the size and shape there. Whenever I'm coordinating and curating a box, I do try to think about size as well as shape and color and just make sure everything's harmonious. All right, and then I found these little 18 karat gold over stainless steel drops, and I just think they echo this pendant so well. I think they match it really nicely. They make a really cute pair of earrings to go with the pendant or whatever you want to do with them. They're just a fun little petite size. I also love the smaller size of these. I've seen these in, we have a larger one in the companion bundle, but I liked the smaller size as well. All right, next we have these crystal crackled rounds. So they call this color light topaz, AB, but it's really more orange, and I love that. We've got some sparkle, we've got some like sunlight, some warm sun breaking over. I live on a hill in Middle Tennessee, and it's really, the dawn is always really, really pretty as the sun breaks over the valley, and that's what this reminds me of. And these cubes are similar. You've got this magma AB finish. These are about a 6mm cube, and yeah, just trying to work in some different shapes. I love that warm color. It makes me happy. And of course, we usually have some kind of small 4mm crystal for the bead weavers or anyone who wants a smaller accent. And this white with champagne, I think, goes really nicely with our peach aventurine in this box. There is a lot in this box. I was very pleased with the deals we were able to get on these beads. It makes me very happy. So we've got these chandelier links also. And these, I don't know, they have almost like an ancient feel to them to me. They make me think of like, I don't know, Mayan sort of motifs. But they're really fun and they look kind of sunshiny. You get 4 of those. They make fun little chandelier findings, or I love them as a single to multi-strand necklace finding. Just lots of options. And then these little sun cylinder beads were too cute to pass up. I love that little sun in the center there. It's very, very cute. And the cylinder shape isn't something that we've really had recently. All right, and then these 3.2mm round beads. I know we've included them in past boxes before, but to me, they're just so useful. And they were on sale really, really deep. The factory was like, hey, I know you like these. We've got more of them. Do you want them? And I was like, yeah, throw them in there, because I just, like, for that price, including them, it just makes it a little bit easier to design. And I love them, and I think they're great little accents to bring in the gold of your suns there. All right, and then for chain, we've got stainless steel curved chain. I love stainless steel chain. Always, it's my preference. It's hypoallergenic, tarnish resistant. The gold finish is exponentially more expensive than just the plain stainless steel, but obviously it had to be gold, and I got a good deal on this curved chain, which made me happy. So I always like to include some chain just so you have some to work with, and I feel like it's one of those things that because it's so heavy, it gets marked up so much at the jewelry store. So being able to include it in your box, sorry, I tied a nice knot in this chain segment. I'll have to deal with that later. It's always always something I'd like to include because I don't want you to have to go buy chain at the store. It's so cost prohibitive. There we go. And then just because these are one of our most requested items from a box ever. They were in our peach sorbet box several years ago. And I got so many positive comments. People loved the size. I love them too. I think they're so useful. These little bales, they're a great way to add like a little charm to your project. And there's a lot of things you could use them for in this box. So you can use them with the little teeny tiny ones. You can make them a cute little bracelet charm or petite necklace. So we have 2 of them just as a nice little, create some options, you know. And then for the clasps, I love a magnet clasp. I think they're great for bracelets. These are just a classic brass gold finished magnetic clasp, very sturdy loops. I really like these thicker end loops because they're not going to fall off your jump ring. You know, they are very sturdy and thick. So I was happy with these. I like that there's a lot of, the way that they're kind of wide, there's a lot of real estate there. Like the magnets, they're very sturdy. So you get a lot of connection between the two. So just a very classic, basic clasp. But I always like to include some kind of clasp because otherwise, how are you going to close your bracelets? And all right. And that is our collection. I will also say this is I think this was one of the most guessed names in the comments of the video that we've ever had. So that was fun. I'm glad that basically just the point of it came across well. It always makes me smile. So plus, I mean, it's classic. It makes me want to sing. It makes me excited for spring. It makes me feel warm, sunny vibes, and I hope it does the same for you. I really wanted this to be just a happy, uplifting collection. Had a lot of fun putting it together. I would love to know what you thought of this month's collection in the comments. If you were a Bargain Bead Box subscriber by March 9th, you received this collection for $24.99 with free shipping in the USA. If you sign up now, you won't get this box. It's already shipped out. You'll start with April's box if you sign up by April 9th. And we do actually have a limited number of slots available. We are nearing the top of our capacity. I'll work to increase that in future months. But if you've been thinking about subscribing, now is a great time to do that to make sure you get your spot reserved. And I always have so much fun putting these together. Thank you all for watching, and thank you so much to our members for making it possible. This is almost $100 estimated retail value. It's like $99.79. So being able to send that at 75% off, almost 75%, just under, with free shipping in the US, I'm really proud of that. So, and it would not be possible without all of you. And the bulk discounts we're able to get from your membership. So thank you so much to all of our members for making this possible. And that is our March collection. Really excited to show you guys some tutorials. We'll have some designs coming up next week, as well as our sneak peek at April. So if you're not a subscriber, feel free to hit that subscribe button. We got lots of fun stuff coming up very soon. We do have a few extras that will be available on our website, beadboxbargains.com. They are, supplies are very limited, and they're going to go live probably about an hour before we get this video edited and posted. So, very shortly today. And there may or may not be left by the time you see this, but if there are any left, they'll be under the box extras category. All right, y'all. Hope you have a beautiful weekend ahead. And as always, happy beading.